Welcome to The Systems Thinker, a video series to help you know the whole, focus on the constraint, and reach your goal. At just the moment you settle down to do your work, someone comes along and insists that what they're asking for will only take a moment. You know it never does, but you don't want to be the guy who always says no. We all know what it's like to be continuously interrupted. Why, you ask, should my mate's bad planning become my crisis? And the kinds of questions all appear to be quite random. Often you don't have the answer to hand and have to do some research or interrupt someone else. That someone else is rarely available when you need them. But if you are lucky enough to succeed in disrupting their day, they too could well not have to hand what you need. It's rarely the case that you absolutely must have every query answered at the drop of a hat. But hey, why wouldn't I let my desire for convenience trump your need to avoid multitasking? One way to dramatically improve everyone's productivity is to develop a comprehensive set of rhythms and routines. Figure out what levels of the hierarchy need to meet with what kind of frequency. Let the lower level team meetings increasingly feed into higher levels until you reach the most senior leadership team. Pay attention to the design of the content you include on the agenda of each meeting type. Be clear about the context, purpose, desired outcomes, supporting resources such as pre-reading and time required for each item. Agree on a set of meeting protocols which at a minimum must include punctuality, presence, and preparedness. Ensure that the chair of the meeting sticks to the agenda and starts and ends on time. If you can build out a comprehensive system of rhythms and routines, you will have a place for every conversation and every conversation in its place. That's your tip for better ways to do better work and redefine what's possible.